up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss.
On this world, vengeance shall be mine.
Oo. Underdog. Wala, match tong dalawang to. Parang walang underdog dito.
Walang underdog.
Match tong dalawang to. Oo,
Parang
match to.
10 to 15 years yung experience ng mga yan.
Artanis, nagpabugbog lang sa unang series. Parang nagpa-GG lang 3 minutes per game. Tapos, ginapang hanggang Grand Finals. Parang sinadya lang ni Artanis talo nung una, no? Tapos dire-diretso siya hanggang Pero dito talagang magandang laban. Tingnan natin ang performance niya kay Extinct. Bas Extinct ka, parang nag-training. Nanonood kanina si Siski, yung BSL yun eh. Parang BSL finalist. Kalaro na nila Dewalt, nila Bonit, si Siski. Zerg. Parang nag-training si Extinct kay Siski, kaya lakas. Kanina 'di ba nakita ko nag-message sa stream. Siski sabi. Change stream. Ayan, send. Sige Extinct, send mo ulit dun sa ating mga PSL friends. Kasi nanonood yung mga mga ka-team niya dun sa PSL. Restream yan kasi Grand Finals. Buti. Sino kaya mananalo dito? Who do you think will win? Pareho to malakas sa mid game eh. I mean, pareho to mas stamina sa late game.
Oo. Ayan, nag-start na guys. Welcome everyone to the final match between Extinct versus Artanis. So these are both I think ranked B or A players. I'm not sure. 2 obs. Yes, 2 obs. Preferred one lang. Alis lang din si Extinct mamaya.
Hindi si Extinct siya player eh.
Si Atito, sorry.
Sige, alis. Tapos nanonood na lang ako sa stream.
Naka-live naman yung stream ko sa Discord, no?
Oo, doon ako. Makikitambay ako sa mga
Yeah.
viewers natin dyan.
Grabe itong mga players na to.
Wala pa si Small.
Wala pa. Nag-AFK lang sila. I think naliligo. May narinig ako naliligo eh.
Artanis. Nasaan na si Artanis?
I-message mo.
Artanis.
Malakas ulan guys, FYI. Bakit naririnig ko din dito may ulan? Ay, may ulan pala dito sa malakas ulan guys.
Magde-defen ako dito.
Ha?
Magde-defen ako dito kasi sa stream ako manonood after kong start.
Okay. Di, ka na lang din. Stream ka na lang din. Cast ka na lang din. Ilagay mo na lang
Hindi, yan.
Napagod ka na ba?
Parang masarap manood.
Sabayan mo na ako ng reason.
Wisdom.
Anyway, guys.
Eh, wala
wala
kasi
na-
Sol. Nasaan si Sol?
Nandito na ako.
Nandito si Sol.
Yan si Sol, oh.
Okay, Sol, parang nanghihina na din si Sol eh. Kanina pa yun.
Hindi, okay pa rin ako. Meron lang akong...
Okay, start ka na ba?
Oo,
Start.
start
Okay,
mo na.
start.
Para ano. Start na, let's
Good
start
luck,
the
let's
final
go.
match. Final
This
match.
is the final match sa first natin na tournament na tinatawag nating TSCT, guys. So,
Yes,
this is
yes.
between Artanes and Extinct. Protoss
Yes.
versus Zerg. So,
That is the arrow. The Dark Lord Sith.
will the Jedi Order win
I
against the
mean,
Dark
the Jedi Master. Jedi Wangdu. Ano ba yun?
Jedi Wangku, yung nagtatato. Wangud.
Wangud.
Wangud. Jedi Wangud.
Jedi Wangud. And then extinct. Very, 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 very. Okay. Malakas na din yung ulan dito. Oh
So,
my God.
ano guys.
Very strong. Very strong rain. And it's
So,
it's interrupting my streaming.
So it's okay. So I'll introduce the player Extinct on the lower right corner natin sa
Pero
screen.
mawawala
The
ito. Hopefully.
the Zerg player. On the blue, on the lower left corner naman, the Protoss blue Protoss na si Artanes. This is game 1, guys, of best of 7. Best of 7 ba to, ano?
Ha?
Best of 7.
Oh, best of 7. Best of 7.
Yes, yes. So ayun. I think we have to put your cameras on the right path para makita natin sa mga viewers.
Yes.
So here he comes. Artanis is now making his first pylon on natural, and it's either a gateway or a forge or even a nexus first. So tignan natin anong gagawin ni Artanis. Artanis testing the waters. So he's gonna play it safe, going for the forge first, and a nexus afterwards. Now Extinct also getting the same build against Atitos King. Atitos King lost against Extinct on the semifinals, and unfortunately Atitos King could not get his redemption because he lost against Artanes. So Artanes, will he be the dark horse in this tournament, or will he falter against the dark Sith na si Extinct? So they are both are just scouting.
Yeah. All I know about Extinct is Extinct is very good. Is a very good player in terms of nakaka na dito si Extinct eh. Talagang alam niya talaga. And both sides, they are both
Ay,
very-
wag mo bilis-bilisan ng yung camera kasi para
hindi ko masyado marinig kasi nandito kasi ako sa balcony.
So maganda yung view ng ating nandito. So Extinct is an StarCraft 2 player actually. He actually won the tournament yung last na parang mga yung mid tier na mga level. So he won. So marami na to siyang very very well decorated na din to si Extinct dito. But Artan is an OG player. Like I said, been playing StarCraft for so long in the Filipino scene. So he is back again to try to put his name on the Ayan. So I think the cannons are now well defended, putting 2 cannons just to play it safe. But I think Extinct, like I said, getting the third next such hatchery. So I think na overproduced lang ng cannon. He could have used only 1 cannon there, but he just wants to play it safe. Because Extinct could do something special here sa early game. Ma-overrun yung Protoss. Now those 2 Zerglings in front, that is a warning sign if the Protoss will move out. Yung dito dyan. And he's gonna see if there are anything he could do against this his base. So he saw 2 cannons in that area right there. Now Probes will see it. He will now see the base, but I think a good block right there by our Zerg player na si Extinct, blocking that area right there sa choke point to stop the scout of Artanis PH. Artanis PH, I mean Artanis TC, desperately looking what this desperately wants to see what the Zerg player is doing. But nakita ba niya yung third?
Hindi pa nakita.
Okay, I just want to say a shout out to my clanmate na si Decoy Watt. He lost on the early games, pero he tried his best. A very brave soul in his part, playing in this tournament. So shout out sa kanya.
Oh
And
no. Extinct is now making a Zerg Spire while Artanis is making his what you call this? A Stargate. Pero wala pang static defense of side of Artanis. And now I'm very worried. Okay pa naman yung TR, wala namang problema. And now Artanis will see ano yung ginagawa ni Extinct, and he will see that he is going to make his Zerg Spire here. And I hope
so he's putting that Zealot behind that para lang he died? He died.
Died early. And now Extinct has 6 speedlings, guys. He will try to do two-way attack here, pero mamamatay ata tong Overlord. He doesn't see this. Even if mamamatay sa cannon, meron ding Corsair na papunta. Very well
Corsair, very well guarded, well defended talaga yung base ni Artanis, blocking anything there to for any attempt, for any run by our Zerg player. The Zerg player just staying in front of this, and here comes the attack. He will try to push with 4 Zealots, but it will be seen. So I think Extinct, it will force him to make some Sunkens dito. This is one way of forcing the Zerg player to make some static defense. This will cost him a drone and 50 minerals. So that's why it is very expensive to buy a Sunken and everything. So but Artanis is now he's going to the other side of the base. I mean the 3 o'clock position. No, I think, he went on he's rerouting himself. He's now going to attack on the natural. This will cause him trouble, guys. And Extinct made 4 Scourges, so hindi nakamuta. He didn't make a muta right there, but a good shot here by our Protoss player. That was a good hassle for that was a hassle for Extinct dito, guys. A good pressure by our Protoss player.
Good trade here. Walang Zealots ang namatay by
no
Artanis.
Zealots, no casualty sa part ng Protoss player, but
And
he
now
knows
he's
that there
saving
are
up.
because he knows that those he was making a Scourges, so that is a sign na gagawa siya ng Mutalist dito. But I think Artanis is one step ahead of him. He has 3 Corsairs already waiting for that Mutalist. So I think Extinct is going for the Ogre Zerg style dito, no? Getting a lot of Mutalists and Scourges. Tingnan natin if this will benefit him. Pero as you can see, like I said, he is one step ahead of the Zerg player. Artanis is just doing this. So the style of Extinct is like this. He's going for the Muta, and he will change to a Hydraless. He's just waiting for that Hydra, a lot of Hydras. He's going for the transition.
Yeah. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6, 7.
And he's droning up behind this. This is just ito lang ang ginagawa ni Extinct to parang binibisi na yang niya ni
Yeah. And
So
now,
actually, okay, so this here comes an Archon.
Here comes the Archon, guys, and I think he will try to push this with the Archons and Corsairs. But the SimCity of Extinct is very good. He will not see this unless there's a lurker already.
I lurker na ba? No, that's not, not a lurker. He's now making wait, that's only one. Oh my god. Sana yung Corsair niya. Oh, there is the Corsair. And this will damage a lot of Mutalis dito, guys. And now the Mutalis is running away. He's crying and going inside his
Oh my
comfort.
God,
Oh no! Oh my god, this will cause a lot of damage sa ating Corsairs, guys. And now, the Mutalis is now in the advantage. He is now gonna attack. But that Icon is the only thing that will stands its way. Because that is... Uy, uy, uy.
God.
Oh my god. So here comes the attack. He's now pressuring and getting the third as well. But good move by our... Oh my god, the Zerglings, the Zealots are not doing anything. Oh, that was a good shot by our Archon right there. Pero I think this is gonna be a very near. This is a good fight for both party, guys. And that
Oh my
was
God,
that was a
that's
good
so good.
shot. But oh my god, every Mutalis died, guys. So this is gonna be very hard for our Extinct. He doesn't have that map control now. Kasi yung Protoss dito doesn't have any, wala din siyang army. He doesn't have army. Now the Hydralisk is now gonna push it, but the Static Thief is still not online. Anong gagawin ni dito?
But he has
And the
storms
Hydras are
already. I think this
Yeah.
will depend.
This will yeah, but that's a lot of Hydralisk coming on its way. We cannot. I don't know if he can defend from this. This is just too much for our Protoss player. Like I said, Extinct can be very dangerous. That transition would always do something. That ang pangit din yung niya ng storms ni dito ni Artanis. Now I think Artanis didn't learn from our from his Protoss brother na Atitus King. Kasi that is strategy. Same strategy ang ginawa ni Extinct dito. Mutalis and going a transition to Hydralisk. And that was a waste of Corsairs ni Artanis. There were a lot of Corsairs died, guys. And here comes the attack. He is now forcing the issue. I don't think this is gonna be good for our Zerg player.
You mean Protoss player?
Yeah.
Oh
So he's gonna
Wala
destroy.
pang energy on both sides.
No energy on those High Templars. He needs to have more cannons here, or he's gonna save it up. Save for 75 energy dito. Now he is on the side talaga. This is gonna be hard for our Protoss player. He is now being trapped. He is now being detained. And now here comes the lurker aspect. He's gonna go and morph a lurkers and trap this Zerg. This is the strategy of Extinct. But this is gonna be hard for Artanis to get out. He needs to do a timing push dito, guys. And now he is now
a lot of goons.
and those High Templars should be
High Templars.
precise, no? Precise talaga yung mga storms niya. He needs to have a good storms dito.
He needs to upgrade those energy. Kasi you will not see that later on. Oh no,
Like I said,
lurkers are now
ayun na,
producing.
like I said, that is the style of Extinct, getting those lurkers. Now, I think Artanis is also way up on his strategy. Alam niya that the lurkers are now morphing and he needs to destroy this Hydra dito. He needs to consolidate his army. He don't have to fight those
Oh my god.
Oh my
He needs to
god,
go
now he's
back.
going to the back. Oh my goodness, ang hirap
Very
nun.
nice storm here.
Very good storm. That timing push was not able to destroy those lurker contain. Now this is gonna be hard for our Protoss player. This containment is an hassle. This is the thing of this is very hard to get out. And the Hydra is okay. He's gonna go for it. He's gonna go and micro his zealots. He will try to destroy this. But the reinforcement of Extinct, will it be enough to defend this? Very good job by Artanis right here, guys. Pero is it enough? Yan ang question natin. They do not know. Because not enough units sa part ni Artanis. Not enough units. And 4 lurkers are now up and running. He's gonna push again. And more Hydras are coming. This is not enough. I think this is gonna be a GG in the first game. Will give a boost to Extinct, guys. This will make him ahead in one game. This is only a matter of time na magta-type si Artanis ng GG because he doesn't have anything left. The minerals are depleting. The time is running out in this Protoss army. So we shall see, and now overlords are being spread out. This will see any observers lurking on the side. So here comes another attempt again by Artanis. Artanis, I do not know if he can do this. This is the last attempt. If he cannot break this Zerg containment, this will be the end of the Protoss player. Grabe yung macro ni ano dito. Extinct. Extinct is just an expert against Protoss players, guys. He is just killing and denying anything. Sa Protoss dito, he cannot stop this. He's just pushing, making more units and rallying up on the front line. So Zealots, Zerglings, everything is in the mix. Now, we shall see if Artanis can break this. He's now storming on the storm, on those eggs, but what can he do?
He cannot do anything.
He cannot do anything right here.
Extinct is like Kim Chu. He is
Oh my goodness, ang hirap talaga.
Bawal lumabas. Kasi may classroom, may batasan classroom. Oh my God. Oh my
So
God.
this is gonna be-
Wala talaga. Ginamitan ng Kim Chu. Kim Chu is a veteran Chinese who is making a song, Bawal Lumabas. So, yun
this
yung
is gonna be
ginagawa
hard.
ni Extinct. Bawal lumabas.
That
Oh my
is gonna
goodness.
be. I think this is
And
too much for the Protoss
this is
player. That
already
is
too
a
much.
lot of the swarms are just gonna go. This is gonna be, like I said, a motivating factor for our Zerg player getting game 1. This will make him.
I think we will hear GG.
Yeah, it's just a matter of time. Like I said, GG will comes out on the on your monitor. Yun na nga, GG nga.
Game
That is
one.
game 1. Game 1 goes to Extinct.
Very nice, very nice.
I think that
Artanis will have to adjust because he had a lot of PvP, PvC games.
Yeah.
Wala masyadong Zerg eh.
Yeah, I think he needs to adjust, and I think the control of his Corsairs were not that good enough. He could have utilized his Corsairs and to kill those Mutalisk. But I think namatay lang talaga sa Scourges. So we shall see on the next game kung loser's gonna pick.
This is gonna be
Walang nakalaban na Zerg si Artanis no sa lower bracket run niya. Wala. So Protoss Terran. Nihirapan mag-adjust to si Artanis.
Shout out to Ayon Kobos for watching the stream. Ano ba? Paano ba isa? Ay...
right. Second match.
So game 2 will, in a matter of seconds, we will be starting our game number 2 sa fight ni Extinct versus Artanis. Artanis going from wait wait lang.
Still a long way to go because just of 7 to.
Mm-hmm.
Si Artanis na focus. Zerg, sorry. Wala din tayo masyadong Zerg. Proto sila. Alright. Let's start the second game. Extinct versus Artanis. Let's go.
So Extinct versus Artanis game 2 is on its way. So will it be a revenge for Artanis, or will same pa rin ba ang result? Extinct just too strong in the first game, but will Artanis adjust? So tingnan natin. So on the lower right corner natin, the blue Protoss, Artanis hailing from Davao City, and on the upper right corner natin, upper left is Extinct, the red Dark Sith dito, guys. So si Artanis hailing from Davao and Extinct from Manila. So this is a battle between Tagalog and Bisaya. I'm getting a wish. Tagum. So South versus North dito, guys.
Sino mas matagal na active player? Sa Extinct or Artanis?
Active siguro si Extinct, pero longest
Extinct,
longest si Artanis matagal na yun naglalaro. I'm not sure pero in terms of kung longevity, si Extinct talaga. Si Artanis, veteran na to, bumalik siya eh.
Yeah, so they're coming back again. So this is a resurgence of the old StarCraft nung una. So tignan natin, no? Now I was just gonna shout out sa mga natin, our cameraman na si Junkyu, aka Janus. She's the one controlling the camera. So if ever you get seasick, siya yung i-blame nyo. And I'm with Saltitude, a Zerg player. He's new bago ka lang Saltitude, no? Parang naglaro ka but you haven't
Months pa lang, yeah.
Yeah. But we of course we welcome everyone in this community. Maliit lang naman tayo na community, but we are very welcoming and very nice. Except for Mighty Penny.
Welcome 20 million viewers. 20 million na tayo ngayon,
Yeah.
Biglang
This is
tumama.
the finals. Yeah, of course, this is the finals. You have to expect there are a lot of people waiting for this match talaga.
Oo. And they are very kumbaga expecting a lot sa mga players na mga bago and mga old, and to see how we progress. And now Artan is making his Nexus at 15 supply, and si Extinct dito is making his 4 Zerglings, and we will try to see this.
Si Artanis changes his, isang canon na lang, di ba?
Yung kay Titos, he always makes 2.
Yeah. So that is the difference. Kasi alam niya, tinitignan na. Now, this is what I call adjustment ni Artanis dito. He knows that the third base is there. So he didn't make another cannon. So there's no risk for any Zerg run by dito kay Extinct.
Yeah, one cannon is enough. Yung first game ba, 9 full opening si Extinct?
Parang
First game.
Ganun talaga opening niya, no?
Kasi he's that is parang safe mode niya na safe build niya dito ni Extinct. Oh my god, that probe is gonna go back. He cannot go on those containment ng mga Zergling. Very good thing good micro by Extinct right there. So shout out tayo sa ating mga principal sponsors, no? Sila Titus King, mga PH, Art Unit, ERW, from Protoss going back to Terran. What a brave heart dyan. Talagang nag-change siya from the Protoss to Terran. And it's not easy, guys. It's not easy to play Terran. Darius.
Bias kay Terran ka eh.
So here comes one Zealot. He's gonna go in the middle of the map. He will try to pressure the Zerg with one probe. This will...
Yun yung
Ano to?
magsisilbing +1 ng Zealot. So they can two-shot Zergling.
No, the reason behind this is he wants to force the Zerg player to make that sunken, but as you can see, Extinct didn't make anything. He is very careful. He wants to have that. He's now surrounding the Zealot, but the Zealot is now gonna go behind that mineral line dito, guys. He's gonna put his Zealots just to parang Spartan to dito. Oh. Boom. He's gonna use.
It's just
yun,
going to
he's
use
gonna-
the black.
Yes, he's
At least yung micro next.
good micro, but as you can see, wala. I think tabla lang kasi, hindi. Kasi dalawang Zergling is 50, ano lang, di ba? 50 minerals.
I think Spire yung sa natural ni Extinct.
Parang Spire. Oh, Spire.
Yeah, that is a fire, yeah. So, that Zealot, and that probe, that is one way of forcing the Sunken and scouting the Zerg as well. So, dalawang purpose nun. But it didn't work. I think the scout did work, but but now as you can see, now the Forge is now upgrading weapons dito, guys. I think that is a weapon upgrade. Now Corsairs are now being called upon. Pero tignan natin if those Corsair will do better than the first game. So tignan natin. Okay, so shout out ano pala tayo so correction lang, Extinct from Cabanatuan City pala si ano. So may mga Extinct fanboys tayo dito, guys. So very talaga, very supportive yung mga fans ni Extinct.
Thank you for that correction. I love Dota. Bakit I love Dota? Dapat I love StarCraft.
StarCraft, okay. So Cruel as well, a very nandito din sa chat natin. Now the Corsairs is up. He knows that he's now using the Corsairs as scout as well. He's gonna kill that Overlords beside the base of the natural of the Protoss. Tinitignan niya. So mga left behind na mga Overlords.
Oh.
Now this is the Hydralist transition. Maybe he's gonna go for the Hydralist transition. But I think he's gonna go for the Muta first. And then go for the Hydralist. The same technique like he did kanina. Pero tignan natin. Maybe there's a variation of his strategy. Now he is now supply black si Extinct. Now here comes, ito na nga, a Mutalist na naman. The Mutalist will do the same thing. Tingnan natin yung adjustment ni Artanis dito. Oh my goodness, he needs to control this. But he's now baiting those Scourges. Good job by Artanis right there. Deflecting those Scourge. Now Zealots are now on the way. He's going for a timing push. This will make the now a good way of rerouting those Mutalists, but the Mutalist is still fighting. He's gonna just throw his yung mga tawag nung attack ng Mutalist. Ano tawag nga yun?
Glaive Worm.
Glaive worms.
Pero maliit
So, he's
lang yung
make-
damage, no? Compare sa...
Hindi siya ganun kalaki yung damage, but
Pero nagbabounce So 9
yeah,
plus 3 plus 1.
yeah. That's why that's why the like today they have to clump it up and it will cause more damage kasi pag maka-clump siya, because they will fire simultaneously.
Oh,
Oh my god, this is gonna be bad for the Corsairs. He needs to go back. He needs to get behind those Corsair cannons, the cannon defense. Bad
3 Corsairs are not enough. 4.
Yeah. Is it 4? Yeah, it's 4
Four.
Corsairs. And behind this, an Archon is also up right now. This Archon will do a lot of damage once the Mutalisks are being clumped up. And that Corsair support.
Oh,
He's now gonna target. He's gonna
sniping.
target. Oh, he's sniping the height. Oh, but was it worth it? Kasi mas marami ng damage nung ano. And now
Oh my God.
this is gonna bite. Oh my God, one Corsair has died. He's gonna go back and he's gonna go and lick his wounds again. And here comes the Zealots. Zealots will try to move, but they are not. Now, like I said, the transition of the Hydralisk is now almost ready na, guys. So sorry, I think so backstory lang si Extinct. Learned from Bayagster. Bayagster, his teacher sa dito. I think Bayagster was one of the mentors of Extinct in playing StarCraft 1 and StarCraft 2. Dito, guys. So ang problema dito, that Corsair should have been there to support those Zealots, but still they are running away. And he will see that at 12 o'clock is being built now. A running shot by those Mutalisks killed one of the Corsairs, guys. He's gonna go back, and the Hydralisks are now awakened. They saw that the army of Artanis is on the 12 o'clock position, and he will go and attack this. I don't know if this is enough for the sa army ni Artanis dito.
He needs to go back.
Yeah, he needs to go. There's no need to fight this. He needs to go back.
You need storms.
Yeah. He needs to go back from this. He's gonna... Grabe talaga siya. Extinct dito eh. Wag mo talaga... Ang hirap kasi dito is Extinct ka na... Hindi siya ma-pressure sa early game. And this is what the outcome is. Marami na siyang hatchery. Marami na din siyang army. Marami na siyang Hydralisk. And here comes the attack. Ito na naman yung sinasabi natin na attack ni Extinct. And after he's gonna go for that lurker.
You need the storm.
And, oh my god, the storm should be utilized here. Oh god. Oy, nagamit niya dun sa nagkamali siya ng storm. He should have used the storms on that Hydralisk. Nagkamali si Artanis dun. The thing, he could have used those, the Mutalisks was so low in HP. He could have used those storms on those Hydralisks. But no, wala na. This is yet again the same mistake ni Artanis dito. But a good storm. But I don't think this is enough for our Protoss player. He doesn't have enough units, nothing else. Natrap pa yung isang Dragoon and more Hydrals are coming his way. This is gonna be the siege of the century, guys.
I think Golden Gameplay is gonna go in favor of Extinct.
Oo, this is way Extinct. Talaga. Agoy, naubos talaga. Oh my god.
Ayun na, Zealot pero kulang.
He needs to use his probes dito kasi those are the only thing that stands its way. Pero wala na, he's now transferring his probes. He's now surrendering his base. That's a GG. Game 2, yet again, too strong for Artanis. Extinct gets game 2, guys.
Someone should beat Extinct. Kasi tingin ko kahit 2 base, kung 2 base lang, na-out macro pa rin.
Talaga, hirapan talaga yung mga Protoss player natin.
Kasi masyadong sobrang parang Zealot lang yung yung doon nata nagkakamali talaga kasi alam na natin meron siyang muta. Bakit pa tayo mag-Zealot? No? Oh my. Lex map. 1 win advantage 16 from winners, so he only needs to win 3 games. Okay. So last game?
Dili pa. He needs to get 2 more.
Kasi 1 win wala siyang talo. 1 win advantage si Extinct. So, he only needs to win 3 games.
Also, okay, so this is gonna be the last game, no? Pag
Manalo
pag
siya.
manalo. Yeah. Oh, so tignan natin. So, shoutout tayo sa mga sa chat natin, si Cruel, si Iron Kubos, Panda, Titus King, TT Kinetic. Yes, everyone in the chat, thank you for watching. Tignan natin the third game. Will Artanis win? Or will it be a 3-0 in favor of our Zerg player? The same strategy. I don't know what's the solution here. Anong gagawin ni Artanis? I think Artanis needs to pressure this Zerg player, no? Kasi you cannot leave this Zerg player to macro, kasi pag maka-macro si Extinct, dihado talaga sila. Marami talagang namamatay na Protoss sa macro ni Extinct, guys.
So, ang score natin ngayon is 3-0, di ba?
No, it's 2-0. 2-0.
3-0 kasi may advantage si
3-0. Oh,
3-0. So, he only needs to win one more para maging hailed as Grand Champion.
Yeah. So there's a lot of players also rooting for Artanis to win. Even Panda PH wants Artanis to win this tournament, because maybe Panda is a Protoss player. So the Decoy a Protoss player, sila no. So they want to see more of the game. Kaya they want to have they want Artanis to win. So I do not know. I think nag-brainstorm na si Artanis, anong gagawin niya? How will I break Extinct? Because Extinct is on that yung straight wins siya. Naka-hot streak siya dito. So he wants to break him.
I think he needs to do Janus build. Fake
Yeah,
expand.
he should do. Yeah, he needs to do something different.
Yeah, fake,
Siguro may
fake expand
Totoo yan.
and 4 gates.
pwede. Just do some that destroys that destroys that pattern of Extinct.
Oh, he should change, kasi kung ganun pa rin wala, hindi talaga effective. Kasi he already mastered the fast expand, how to counter it with the use of Mutalist or 973. Why will he still do it again if he knows what you will do?
He can do it again, but he needs to do something to pressure the Protoss, the Zerg player, because the Zerg just freely gets his third, and I don't know. I'm not an expert again in this matchup, pero I think he needs to do something.
Yeah, he needs to do something else para maiba. Kasi he really needs to do something else. Kasi kung ganun lang din, wala. Well, let's wait for Artanis, because I think he's taking a pee break or whatever. I'll chat him.
I think Artanis is just like pumping his blood up again. Kasi parang naubos na yung dugo niya. He needs that blood transfusion, guys. Ano yung dugo nyo kay mga Protoss player dyan.
Yes. From the chat, why are you laughing with my build? Let's go, Janus build. Take expand to it.
I don't know what. Parang talaga po.
You don't know the Janus build, because Janus build was used by Darak. They Extinct and Darak. Darak won one game with that.
Against Extinct.
Against Extinct. But
Uy, wala. Guna ka.
Sorry.
Wala pa, hindi pa nga nag-G already. Excited si Janus.
Okay, let's wala pa 6 stick pala.
Ayun tuloy.
So it was our observer's fault right there, getting too excited.
Apologies, because I was excited of the Janus build. Okay, let's go again. Jaedong versus Bisu.
Will he go for another course? Maganda sana yung kay Atitos na style kanina, yung Zealot lang siya. Yung kanina. Okay din yun eh. Pero na...
One gate Zealot lang yung ginawa niya. And then he already transitioned to Corsair and then Goons, Templars.
So ang standing dito guys, it's a 3-0. So one game away from getting that crown extinct. And
Yes.
Artanis needs to get that
Yes.
strength from his viewers to his fanboys na kailangan fight pa rin siya.
We love you, Extinct. Yeah, more probes, yes, easy win. I think 2 more gates. Yes, of course, you have to have a lot of probes or drones. You need to have workers, a lot of workers to win this game. But of course, timing is another issue. And that is one of the best asset of Extinct here. The timing is everything. He knows what the Protoss A to Z. He knows what he will do. He already had an X-ray or blueprint on how to use the Protoss because he is a solid A player. I think solid A ba yan siya or solid B?
Hindi, I don't know what rank he is.
Anyway, let's introduce our players. The red shiny, the Sith Lord, the Dark Lord, of this tournament, Extinct, and the Jedi Master, Jedi Wang-Od. And let's go TC from TC Clan, guys. Shout out sa lahat taga-TC, taga-Tagum City. Yes.
Tagatagom ka ba, no? Tagatagom ka ba dyan, no?
Hindi, Davao.
Davao ka.
Yeah. You just have to make 100 probes. Okay na yun. Just, okay. Extinct over, ano ba tawag nito? Yung overpull ba yun? Tama ba ako?
So dito si Artanis getting 2 gates now. He's now going for the 2 gates. He wants to go that pressure here.
He wants-
He's now changing.
Oh, 2 gates.
Changing the map. He's changing the map
na
right
kailangan
now.
niya.
Kailangan niya dito.
Kasi he already knows where Extinct is. So he needs to do this. He needs to get this advantage.
Spawning full kaagad si Extinct, so I don't think this is gonna work. But-
Oo.
I think this is just gonna delay yung build order ni Extinct, but I don't think this will kill him.
Yep. Pero let's see what Artanis will do.
Very
This
very
2 gates.
exciting na, no? Kasi he's now changing the game. He's now
Yeah.
going for that. He's going to pressure the Zerg. Tignan natin si Extinct now getting that another hatchery. So that the third will be delayed dito kasi kailangan niya talaga ng mas maraming maraming Zergling dito.
Did he
That's why
already see? Or
Pero wala rin eh. Siya ang nape-pressure with the 2 gates because of the 6 links.
No. Now he's waiting for the others. Now, hindi, nag-wait lang siya sa second Zealot dito. Now, kailangan ni dito, he is now gonna go. And that drone's not gonna make the third. I think he's not gonna go for make another third. If he's gonna make a third, he's gonna be very much in trouble. Now he's going,
Oh
the
my
drone
God.
is now going back.
oh
No,
my
he can't move out. May Zealot na nagbablock.
Magpapasok ata yan eh, sa gilid, no? Kasi nakakapasok
No,
eh.
Di ba yung wall?
Yung wall
I think-
niya,
I don't
dito, makakapasok ata dito.
I don't think nakapasok yun. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't
okay.
think makakapasok. Sa gitna lang and there's a Zealot.
Okay. Sige.
So he waited
the-
for 3 Zealots bago mag-push out. Sinandin niya yung dalawa and he left yung isa.
This is just to lang siguro. Now, wala pa siyang third si dito Extinct. So usually the third is now making, pero sa ngayon,
Oh my God.
that is what
Please don't waste.
now he's now going back. He's now consolidating his forces. He needs to have his fresh units in front kaysa sa mga old niya na mga veteran na Zealots. But now, as you can see here, killing a lot. He's microing his Zealots very good
nice,
right now. Very micro right here. Very micro intensive fight dito. And now he's now forced to make another sunken. I mean a sunken here. And killing that. Oh my god, this is gonna be different. This is a different fight sa dito. He's now side blading those sunkens, guys. And now one Zergling died. And now the Zergling that just more patay, ubos lahat. Ito na ang ginagawa ni Artanis, making that adjustment, destroying now the natural hatchery dito kay
He needs
kay
to
dito.
attack this. He needs to use
Yes.
these two zealots. Go,
Yeah.
go. Sayang
Go,
yung
attack.
rally mo. Sayang yung rally mo. Oh my goodness.
Oh wait, sige lang. Hindi pa narinig ni Artanis yung ano natin. Shout out natin, Artanis, gamitin mo yung stream namin para mananalo ka. Pag-cheat ka na lang.
Oh my God.
Ayun na. Narinig ko na.
Dito na. And now, narinig ni Artanis yung anong call natin. This is gonna be a pressure build by Artanis. Now, he's now going inside the main base. Ito na, ubos lahat ng Zerglings. And that is a GG. Game 3 is now Game 4.
Game 4. We're going to Game 5.
We're going to Game 5, guys. Good job by Artanis getting that adjustment and destroying the tempo of our Zerg player. Very good job by Artanis. GG.
Alright. Nice. Artanis making one game. I think this is the tempo that he is looking for.
Sinasabi nila semi-Janus build. Bakit?
Ha?
Bakit semi-Janus? Ano bang
Kasi
Janus build?
parang Janus Bill.
Yung sa kanya kasi-
Puro gateway, wala expansion.
Sa akin tatlo yung tatlo kasi yung sa akin. Sa kanya dalawa lang. So,
3 gates ka? 3 gates ka?
Oo, 3 gates ako. Wala ko bakit. 3 gates lang.
Kaya pala semi-Janus build.
Janus build. Ups. Stink. Sorry.
So, ano muna kayo, kuha kayo muna yung mga tubig dyan because the game is heating up. It's boiling like a lava, guys. So, kahit tignan na, relax lang tayo dyan.
Yes.
And the game 5, game 4, game 5 na nga, will start, malapit na. Hindi pwede repeat. Ano ba sila?
Poly again. Hindi pwede repeat. Right. Radeon. Sa kabila tayo ng Radeon. Shout out to the 25 million viewers. Welcome sa stream, guys. We're having the fifth match of Extinct versus Artanis. This is already 3-1. Sorry, fourth. Fifth match.
3-1, 3-1.
Oh, yeah, 3-1 ang
Ah,
standing.
Ask them if they're ready. If
Yep,
okay na ba sila.
G? Okay, let's
Okay,
go.
so-
Let's start.
The game will start in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Grabe.
So do you think Solitude, do you think Artanis has the chance to get the reverse sweep? I mean reverse kill dito?
Lagi namang sinasabi, lumalakas si Artanis as the game goes on. So, I'm really
Yeah.
hoping. I wanna see more games.
Yeah. I agree kasi lumalakas siya. Para siyang wine, no? Sumasarap siya pag
Siyang Super Saiyan si Goku. The more na natalo mo, the more na lumalakas.
Yeah. So, tignan natin. Okay, so the Protoss on the lower left corner natin sa screen, the Artanis TC. And now on the lower right corner naman, the Zerg player. This is game 5 in a game of 7. Guys.
Kung alam lang talaga ni Artanis kung saan yung base, sobrang lapit lang din, no?
Yeah, very very near. The only that's the middle base lang, yung minerals lang naka in between sa kanila.
Yeah. Etong gitna.
Uh,
Almost the same lang sila ng... hindi. Radion, saka... Retro? Tama ba?
So this map is Radiant, guys. So it's almost the same as parang same lang to siya ng fighting spirit yung parang pattern niya. Or no, Vermeer pala, parang Vermeer yung style, no? So is he going? Oh no, he's going for that forge again. Oh no, this is gonna be. I don't think this is gonna be good for Artanis because he used that forge build before.
Yes, and he will use this third base. Nakikita na.
Oo. But okay din ang style ni Artanis. He doesn't want to overuse that 2 gateway kasi malalaman ni Extend. Oh.
So you need to adjust talaga. Maybe 2 Stargate or
So he's getting in that 2 probes just in case any run by by the Zerg player. Pero as you can see, he is safe talaga si dito Artanis. Now Artanis knows that he just made his hatchery. He can now make his nexus, waiting for that 400 minerals dito. And I know now the third is up, very early third ni ito yung gusto ni itong gusto ni Extinct dito na scenario. He wants this scenario na gagawa ng fast expansion si Artanis. No pressure on part of the Protoss player because he loves this scenario na 3 bases and he wants to macro as well. Yun ang style niya.
galing at late at night. Yeah. Hindi ko alam paano yung tagging Anyway, i-edit yun next time.
Wag mo lang bilisan yung camera
okay.
kasi
Masisik tayo lahat. Sisik tayo lahat.
Sisik tayo. Sorry for nawawala tayo sa minsan so napapagod na yung cameraman natin.
Napapagod and it's still okay. Wala namang problema. Lang, tingin-tingin lang ako as a normal observer. But now, Artanis is making the same build again, and I hope there's an adjustment here. Mayroon siya.
He's going for macro build. Mag-layer ba si Extinct?
Nag-layer na siya.
Did. not gonna go for 973. It's a macro build. And Artanis is doing the same. Pero as we all know, tatalo dyan si Artanis. He needs adjustment.
Oo. And mahaba kasi dito yung entrance paloob. So, it's most likely madali lang siya makontain dito na area. Dito na area kasi maglalagay lang siya ng lurks dito, paulit-ulit lang, and he has a lot of areas to cover. While si Artanis, siguro ang advantage niya, I think this is a Zerg map, no? This is a Zerg map, I think.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm not really good at this matchup. So
And yung placement ng spar away from the probe.
Dito nakalagay.
Alright.
He's hiding his stack dito.
He wants to hide his tech kasi
No, I don't know what reaction will Artanis do, but I think he's going for a double Stargate.
double Stargate.
This is a different now. He's now changing his pattern.
Very
Last
nice,
time he
very
only
nice.
went for a one Stargate, but I think the
Yes.
coaches. His coach is behind his back. He's now telling him to go for Stargate.
Pero mag-scout.
Oh. Hindi na scout, hindi pa na scout. Oh, he's gonna get scouted. The 2 Stargates gonna be scouted. No dragoons on the map. So
Ayun
this will
na
be
nga,
seen. This will be seen. So I don't know what Extinct's gonna do. How he's gonna change his what reaction he's gonna do here. Pero that double Stargate will cause damage on that Overlord, guys.
I think this will be a
So-
scout.
Pwede. Now here comes the zealot. Here comes the zealot push, guys. This is just to soak up the damage on the Zerglings and the zealot. I mean the Zerg's gonna make a lot of static defense here.
Ayun na, nagpa-plus 1 ba siya ng air?
Nag-plus
Is he
1
gonna-
siya.
Oh my God, ang raming scores nun. Ang raming scores dun. But now he wasted every larva from making scourges. So ito na ang now the pressure. Like I said, he needs this pressure. Hindi mo kailangan. Oh my God, this is gonna be good for our opponent player. He's now killing. Oh my, but the only thing na mga mamatay, huwag mong ipapatay yung
Mag-move
mga
ng sunken.
sige lang, see. But that was a good damage by our Protoss player. Now he's running away. He's gonna lick his wounds and try to relax. Relax, punta ka dun sa mag-massage ka muna because you did a good job from killing a lot of drones right there by Artanis.
He needs a blind massage kasi mas masarap ang blind massage.
Happy time.
Di ba natin sa'yo small time
Iba na yan kay small time. Big
Iba na
big
yung small time.
Blind massage lang akin. Okay, here comes the three stairs.
Sayang. Sayang yung Corsair niya kanina. He could have run away. And sayang, naubos yung dalawa nun eh.
Sayang yan. Meron pa siyang dito. Wala siyang wala pala siyang maraming If he can just micro his yung Corsair niya, mananalo siya dito. Because his plus 1 is already
plus 1. He
eto
just
na.
needs to masters and zealot.
Just needs to master.
Yeah.
Kasi wala ring
So I think Extinct is now making Muta. He was saving up his money. So ayun na, Mutalist will be online in a matter of seconds. Dito guys, 12. Tignan natin what. Tignan natin. He went for a Hydra first.
Yeah,
This is a different. Oo.
He's not gonna must muta kasi nakita niya yung plus 1 sa stairs.
Oo, yun. Doon din ang nagkaiba dito na game. This game is different from the other games. Kasi they are now adjusting with each other. Tinitignan niya. So I think Artanis, once he sees that Hydras are being made, he needs to stop making those Corsairs dito guys. Kasi ayun, nakita na niya that he needs to stop those Corsairs. Ayun, naubos pa yung mga galing ginawa ni dito.
Those are plus 1 stairs. Mapapatay ka agad
Uy!
yung Scourge. Kill those overlords!
Yeah.
Very nice move here.
Kailangan bilisan niya. Very good job by our, he's not gonna go in the base. Dito na. Ito na yung part na nahahasol na yung Zerg.
He needs to kill all of it.
Oh, he's gonna cross over it. He's gonna go on the other side.
Extinct is now
mobility
supply
mobility wise, mas maganda yung Corsair. He can go from one part. Oh my God, he's now. Oh my, he needs to be careful with this. Oh my God, naubos pa. Hindi na hindi na timing ni Now Dark Templar is up and ready. Dito, guys.
Since there are lesser overlords. Very good.
Very good niya,
From Artanis.
Sana yung mga Corsair na wala?
Wala na, namatay na.
May tatlo pa, di ba?
Namatay na.
Oo nga So, every Corsair died?
Yes, kasi nakita niya na may Hydra.
So,
Pero wala pa siyang goods.
ito na, ito yung gusto ni Extinct eh. He wants this kind of, ganito ang habitat ni Extinct. He wants this kind of thing, na yung macro game na. So, tignan natin, as you can see, that's a lot of Hydras coming on its way. I think he's gonna go on the 4 o'clock position.
Where's it going?
Oh my God, oh my goodness, he needs to go back now or else he's gonna be overrun by those Hydralisks. This will be very bad for our Protoss player. Here comes the attack again, but the High Templars are not, what is Artanis doing actually? He doesn't,
Oh my God.
it's out of position. Oh my goodness, he needs to use the storm, please!
Nice.
Ayun.
Pero wala na
Nice
siyang...
storm. Mayroon pa siyang storm. But now, he is now delaying. And he thought, I think Extinct thinks that wala siyang army. But the Zealots and the Dark Templar is up there in the middle of the map. He can catch these reinforcements. And now he's gonna backstab this army of the Zerg player. Tignan natin, will it be a trap? Oh no, why? He's not doing it. He's gonna go and run away. I don't know what he's doing. Artanis is not, I don't know what Artanis is doing right now. He's going in the middle of the map. He's going on the other side. He wants to kill this siguro. I don't know if he sees this. Pero wala. Here comes the attack yet again by our Zerg player. Dito, he is now poking the Protoss player dito and he's now making a lot of Dragoons dito, guys, no? So Artanis forcing his issue. He wants that the map control by getting those Zealots in the middle of the map.
May sneaky base siya.
But the bases are now being gagawa na siya ng base. This is just to to make the Zerg busy dito, guys. And with that Dark Templar was now being activated. Parang lang siya. Yung cell ba, parang tawag yung agent na cell na i-activate siya pag kailangan na. But here comes the
Sleeper agent. Tama ba?
sleeper agent. Sleeper cell, yun pala.
Anong game
What a
plan
dark-
ni Artanis? What should he do?
I don't know what Artanis is doing actually. He's just buying time to get that base on the upper left corner. Yun siguro ang niya. But the more time he needs, the Zerg is getting stronger as well. So kailangan niya is he needs to balance this. He needs to put the pressure. He needs to kill that Hydralisk army of Extinct. And the problem here is
nice
just
storm.
nice storm right there. Just
Sizzling Hydralisk. Ayun, ang
Hydralisk na naman, ang rami. But here comes the reinforcement. He needs that oh my God, a good storm by our Protoss player. But the thing here, the problem is na naka-funnel yung mga units ng Protoss player. He
hindi
cannot get out
nagagamit.
from here.
Hindi nagagamit.
I
Sayang.
think yung 11 o'clock base is gonna get scouted, but
Again, oh my God, this hindi ko to gusto yung parang lurker detainment nila naman. Sayang talaga. This is gonna be painful for our Protoss player. This same fate as other Protosses. Kailangan sirain na lang niya yung gateway na yan kasi it will only destroy his AI.
nice storm.
Nice storms actually, but what can he do? He needs to have that space to utilize that kailangan niya sirain na lang yung dalawa diyan.
Kailangan niya
How can he
siege tanks.
defend? Or just destroy that gateway in front to make the space siguro. Kasi wala na, like the same thing na din. The same thing din kay Artanis. Artanis is just losing. I don't know what Artanis is doing, no, pero I think this is very very sad. Because he's just gonna give up that area right there, and that area is very important.
I think he's doing two ways production dito na din magpro-produce para ano.
Pwede din
Hindi
siya
madaling
mag-ano.
ma-contain.
So he's gonna produce army from one base to the other base din. Now making 2 forges. Tignan natin. So there's a lot of people, Protoss fanboys saying more probes and more units. TT Kinetic is really mad right now. He's shouting his lungs out. He wants to have more probes and more units.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark. Dalawang exclamation mo point pa.
He cannot go out. If this happens, hindi talaga makalabas. This is what 8.
Like I said, destroy that gateway. That is the only thing that destroys his movement.
Hindi makagalaw eh.
Hindi, he cannot go out from that little area right there.
Oh, yung eggs. You can destroy the
Yeah, you
eggs.
can destroy the eggs and destroy that gateway because siya talaga, that is not, it's useless na ngayon to have that gateway.
Does he have ops?
I do not know if he has or wala, di ko alam.
Wala
But
pa.
like I said,
He will
ang
try
rami
to
ng
transfer.
units.
He will just transfer it.
Maglalamog
Kasi,
papuntang 11 o'clock base.
Oh, tignan mo naman yan. Anong gagawin mo dito?
Oh!
Oh my god, he's gonna go for the recall, guys. He's gonna he's going recall, guys.
Huh?
He's gonna turtle that out and go for the recall. That's it. He's now making an arbiter tribunal.
Why will he use? Okay. Siguro magre-recall siya. Let's see the base. Okay, meron ng hide.
Artanis, he wants to this game to maging iba talaga yung game. Is now making arbiter and Extinct just waiting for the Protoss to go out from his comfort zone, and once he will be out, yan na. But the only problem here is kung magde-defiler na si Extinct, that will be a very painful for our Protoss player because once the defiler is up, that orange cloud will engulf and destroy the base of the Protoss player. Here comes again the shuttle. I don't know what anong sa loob niyan, but the shuttle
Pero may
is
Scourge.
seen right away. Scourge are now makita talaga. Talagang
Bye-bye.
mag-kiss talaga.
Depress.
Now here comes the zealot na parang these zealots is gonna go and attack on the 4 o'clock.
He's gonna try to deny the...
Oh, okay. He's gonna deny that.
Ano yan? Ano base yan? 12:30?
Yeah. Good denial, but this is kind of futile for our Protoss. Protoss player. He's gonna give it up. All the zealots gonna die, I think, because he's okay. Maybe he's making space in the front line, pero he's still not acting on it, even though nakikita niya that the Hydras are moving out.
They're both 200, no? Kaya natin...
I think that he's just waiting for that arbiter. He's just waiting. The minerals are depleted. I don't think I don't know. Storms are being used, but what can you do? Wala.
Oh, he's trying to push out.
Yeah, he's gonna push out, but okay.
Very
You don't
nice.
see us.
Yan na.
Very nice move by our Protoss player. He doesn't see. Kayo lang ba ang hindi makikita? Kami din, mga Protoss player. Yung arbiter namin, hindi makikita din, guys. You cannot see cloak units. You're
John Cena sila.
You
can't see us. There's night yung arbiter!
Ha?
There's night yung arbiter!
Oh my God!
Wala na, hindi na sila John Cena.
But still, there's two
Dapat sirain niya na to.
No, I don't know. I don't understand. He wants to conserve that
Wala siyang-
heritage.
Wala siyang observer dyan eh. Sayang yung arbiter, dapat
Meron pa yung arbiter. He's now making
Ayan,
more.
ayan.
That's 3 target. Sayang lang yung ano, yung... I don't know what is the plan of Artanis right now, pero I don't think he doesn't even have high Templars right now. But as you can see, Hydras are just trying to force the issue. He's gonna go and kill that base. He's now, I don't know, why he's back in the base again?
oh, defiler.
He's gonna be, defilers will be up and running oh my god. What
Pero
is this? What is wrong with Artanis? I think Artanis is now not.
Wala, and his army is
Wala.
mostly made up of dragoons.
Oh my goodness, that
He
Ano?
needs zealot,
What?
archons, reavers.
like di sana maganda yung opening ni Artanis kanina. I think he was just satisfied to getting a win against
This is not a-
Extinct. Naging I think the mentality of Artanis, he just wants to get a win from Extinct. And oh my god,
yes.
what is can you do against this army?
Defiler, he has defiler. He's just gonna plague. And Dark
I
Swan.
really do not understand this game. I really don't understand this.
I think he will,
GG.
no. What I said earlier, we will see Akira. He did this in this game.
Kasi,
Wala eh. They're all
I
under
know.
the Dark Swarm.
but at least he have the zealots to kill the lurkers. Pero
And-
Karir, I don't, maybe Karir can do difference dito, no?
Wala, he needs 12 carriers. Pero, ayun, na nga, may plague na. So all that armor, yung 4 armor ng carrier, it's just gonna go, gonna be
You need to
useless.
kill you're gonna kill that
Ayun.
oh my god, nakuha pa yung Ay, gulo-gulo ng buhay dito guys, ang carrier. What can a carrier do against this swarm of army? He concentrated fire on those, but more defilers are up and running. He's gonna put an orange cloud in front of this, scourges are being called upon. He will try to kill those, but what can he do? The Zerg are just running. They are non-stop attacking, guys. And Artanis is back behind the na talaga sa wall. This is a matter of time na magta-type na naman ng GG. A plague will come as soon as the energy will arrive. But the zealots are just trying. They want to do something here. And now the carriers are now hiding away.
Walang
Oh my
overload.
god, the arbiter.
Walang
Now we got
overload.
the-
Pero na-plague ulit.
And now the
tatlo.
my carrier na naman. Another carrier is on its way. But another scourge hit another carrier. And now, oh my god, 1 carrier died and 2 carrier died with all those interceptors ready to be used. Hindi na, Artanis is now crying in his bedroom right now, guys. He's now crying like wala na.
Wala
Oh
na.
no, Scourge! That's another Scourge are coming in its way. Wala na guys, kiss na naman kayo sa carrier. Pero anong gagawin niya, Everything is just bad for our Protoss player to you. So I think nagme-menstruate yung mga carrier dito, guys. They are now having their period right now. The
Oh my
driver
goodness.
is now ang Rami. His stomach is getting hurt because of the menstruation cycle dito, guys. Now
Oh
the
no,
Scourge are
they're
not
being
coming.
GG.
That's a good That's a GG and congratulations
Congratulations to
our Extinct for getting that win.
The Titan build program. Hindi to gateway opening. Sana nag-2 gateway opening na siya.
Oo nga eh. Si
Okay lang.
GG and Extinct, congratulations kay Extinct for getting the win. And you will be contacted by our principal sponsors according to the prize pool, no?
Yeah.
So,
This is first, second, and the third. Merong category. So the third one is Titus and si Artanis, and the champion is Steve. Hopefully, very nice tournament for tonight. Very fast and maganda yung mga matchup. Participants also very valiant sa kanilang mga participation. Thank you again. Of course, kay Extinct for participating, and the co-casters, everyone. We will announce to chat later on tonight, siguro tomorrow na, with Atitos King. And congratulations again, Sir Kent, aka Extinct. Yep. Sir Francis, is small time, I think.
yes.
Ano ba? Mag-invite ba tayo?
We'll drop.
Or mag-invite ba tayo, or you have a few words?
Yeah, I think yes. Thank you for everyone for watching the games. We have it was a successful tournament. It was played on around 2 weeks, so some couldn't even. The casters are not able to come, but we have a backup caster. So thank you to everyone, to our casters, to our sponsors, and to all the players who've been playing the tournament. We really appreciate everything, and thank you all for watching as well, the viewers on Twitch. It is exclusively on Twitch, pero we still have that YouTube, no? We will try to publish it on YouTube. So thank you everyone. This is Small Time signing out, guys.
Yeah. I think we will try to have an interview sa
Yeah, chat is asking to interview yung winner.
Extinct. So Extinct, if you are available, come to the Discord server. We'll have a few talk with regards to the expectation and everything, the experience with the tournament. Isend lang namin.
Sana si ano Extinct.
Chinat.
So we will just have a short interview to our grand champion.
Shout out, shout out Zeski.
Yeah, Zeski TV, thank you for watching. Si Zeski, siya parang si Zeski, pro player ba to?
Ano yan? Pro din yan. Parang kasama niya sino nga yun? DeWalt daw? Or sila
DeWalt,
Goku? O sila Goku.
Okay, so it's way higher tier than everyone here in the Philippines. But still, thank you for watching. Cruel, Kinetic, thank you for watching, guys. Even though we are not very high tier in terms of skill level than you guys, but still you supported us. So salute to everyone.
Wait lang. Grabe, no? Almost straight wins si Extinct. Hello.
Ito. So dito pala, nandito si we will try to say it in English, no? Because we have some international player watching on stream.
Yep.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, congratulations, Extinct. How are you feeling today?
Yeah.
What is your experiences and what are the difficulties that you've expected from that last game?
I still feel the rush from that last game because I thought he was gonna do another cheese from but he went
Because
from
you had,
again.
because you really love the macro game, right? Like,
Yeah,
if
my
you're
game plan
especially
was,
that. Okay, go on.
my game plan was just really to try to drag it out to the late game, all the games if I can, because I'm much more comfortable with late game GVP on most of my matchups.
I see.
The same goes with Titus, the Titus from our match earlier. So that's my game plan.
Alright. Very inspiring words of wisdom also from Extinct, because we are a Protoss players, so we are almost we are all learning from that game to how
it's
to
the
counter.
It's the first time I saw carriers in a while.
Yeah. I think that was I think he heard Artanis heard me use a carrier, and he answered my request during in that game. He was a good sport with that, and yeah. The last few games, The Rock, Artanis, Atitos, who was like the one who really made you a hard time? Give you
Really gave me the hard time is probably Artanis.
Artanis.
Actually, both of them are very hard because Artanis gave me with the early pressures. His early pressure is good.
Okay.
I need to keep tabs on his army, so to not get caught. With Atitus, his timing attacks are very strong. I think he might have gotten a map from me earlier.
Yeah.
And with the rock is the mind games with the rock is what makes him hard for the rock. He's very very good at that mind game.
Okay, very good, very nice words. All right. Si
So,
Bangor sila Atitus will try to contact you with regards to the winning prizes, and also thank you for playing with us.
Any last words, Extinct, before we... Anything you have to say to our fans? I mean, that's the last word. Mamamatay ka. Anything you have to say to your fans, because there's a lot of people like looking up to you. Si Kinetic, sabi niya, shout out to your mom, Daws, for bringing up such a talented young man. Such a very inspiring words from our I know this is very sarcastic, but
I would like to thank Kinetic and Zelski, my friends from Australia. They're the ones who helped me prepare this match, both ZVP and ZVP. Want to thank also my friends who supported me while watching my game, even though they don't understand nothing about this game.
Yes.
And
Shout out.
lastly, I'd like to give thanks to my